up. He ain't hitting there no more. Over here.
Yeah, I've been switching back and forth.
What up, Mike? What up? Out here, probably fishing a little bit up the hoop. What's happening? Yeah. Where you at? Oh, okay. When you want it tonight, get it tonight. Come on, man. You talking to the player here.
Player from the Himalayas.
Yeah. You can't do nothing if you ain't got it on deck. I heard crappie fishing, me and my buddy. Everybody got all together, we probably got close to 30. Yeah.
Those two,
I suppose.
we've exceeded that.
Yeah, we did.
We've exceeded that.
30, to be honest.
That's a bad number.
Oh, hell yeah.
Push that bad boy up on there a little bit.
Oh, too late.
No, we in boat. Yeah, we got a little two-man boat. But I'm gonna hit you up when I get out of here. You trying to do that today? Okay, dog. Okay. You know what? This motherfucker reading fish. I bet it's right here.
Gary casting y'all's boat.
Go ahead. This mother's sweeping his ass off right here.
They got disturbed them over there when I went over there.
That branch.
Yeah.
Just keeping his ass off right in here. Right where we at.
See what I can come up with.